चंदा है तू, मेरा सूरज है तू। वो मेरी आँखों का तारा है तू, चंदा है तू, मेरा सूरज है तू।
Surprise! Surprise! Arpita, where are you?
Purva, what a pleasant surprise. We're supposed to come after 3 months, na?
I was so excited to meet you guys. Give me my sweet little angel.
Angel, your papa has come. See, hold your angel.
What is this, Arpita?
Bhuvan, it's our baby.
What has happened to her?
I wanted to give you this news on phone itself, but I didn't know how you will react to it.
You should have followed all the rituals, Arpita, which my mom told you to do.
Bhuvan, we are born in the 21st century and you expect me to follow all those things.
I never expected all this, but since our baby was born on an eclipse day, you should have followed the rituals.
Bhuvan, it's our baby girl. Why are you doing like this to her?
It's a big misfortune for me. It's a big burden. Take your baby and leave the house.
I can't do this to me.
I can't keep you guys. I don't want any burden in my life. Just leave the house. Leave the house
Please,
straight
Bhuvan,
away.
Please listen to me, Bhuvan. Bhuvan, please. क्या हुआ? Tell me, why are you crying? Everything is finished. I lost everything. This child of mine is a curse. Why are you saying like this? You want to see her? She's a monster.
Come on, don't say like that. She's your child.
She took everything from me. She made my life incomplete. I lost my husband, my family, everything.
Don't cry. It's okay. Nothing has happened wrong.
Whoever looks at her is scared of her.
Come on, don't say that. Let me see her.
No, you also won't like her.
Come on. She's such an adorable girl. It's okay.
My life is finished. I'm penniless, roaming here and there. I don't know how I'm going to survive.
Don't say that she's a curse or anything. There is treatment for such things. I will suggest you one doctor. This is Dr. Sanchit. He runs an NGO for
I
such
don't have
cases.
any money.
He does it for free. I really suggest you go and see him. He will really help you and your daughter. Trust me.
Thank you so much.
Anytime.
Dr. Sanjay, the patient I told you.
Yeah, please have a seat.
Doctor, my child is...
I know everything. Sanika has told me everything. You don't need to panic.
Doctor, but my husband is not ready to listen to
I
advice.
know it's thing to know that such an educated person thinks in such an insensitive way.
But doctor, what was my mistake?
It's none of your mistake. You are not to be blamed for this. There are surgeries being carried out here.
But doctor, surgery for my 2-month-old child?
Yeah, that's what the time period of 2 to 4 months is the best suited for the surgeries, and it gets back to normal. Usually it happens due to nutritional deficiencies. It's not your mistake.
Doctor, where is the procedure being done and how it's...
I'm associated to one hospital which is Brahma Kumari. I'll take you there and help you out. We'll definitely get to some conclusion. Come in.
Doctor, thank you so much.
It's good to see you smiling.
I never believed you did the miracle.
Yeah. and still some work is left. There are post-treatment to be done. There will be speech therapy.
So around what time should I take my child back home?
Anytime, anytime. Now she's completely fine, so you can take her home. And what about you, Mr.?
Yeah, I need to apologize first of all
You
because
should.
even after being outside my country and knowing that science is advanced, I couldn't believe in the science. I thought that all this is not possible. I went with the traditional rituals and culture. That was my mistake. I know science has its power and it definitely proved right this time.
Yeah.
I'm extremely sorry.
And doctor, I'm really inspired by your organization, and definitely even my husband would definitely
Yeah.
like to work.
You should spread an awareness about it.
Yeah, it's my personal duty that it's our personal duty that if we see a child suffering from cleft lip, cleft palate, we make a cause that we aware them
Yeah, sure.
and definitely help the cause.
Thank you so much, doctor.
Director is Dr. Parik Ladani. He is a oral and maxillofacial surgeon. He is a main director, and he is arranging the camps with his team. Like one assistant will be there and two doctors. And we are doing here. We have got a fellowship in that subject also. So oral surgeons, newcomers usually they come, and even they go for the camps. Personally, we go to areas, some villages and all. So personally, distribution of pamphlets and speeches and some video clippings, pre and post surgeries. So that awareness itself gives. Gajanan Shanbag, he is the orthodontist. He is handling that. He is doing all the plates that we have to give before the surgeries.
Yeah.
So that he is doing, and one more in surgery, ENT doctor is also there,
Okay.
one Dr. Rajesh Wallan, and one pediatrician of course. So we have got minimum 5 to 6 doctors teams are there. So we handle like
Nice.
pre as well as post.
Basically tap the rural areas, the areas where such facilities are not available, and we basically tap the hospitals or the panchayat or the sarpanch of those areas, and then we organize for the camp over there. So there is no time specification as such. There are some complications because if it is left alone, if it is not treated, you have this slit on the lip, that is cleft lip, and a slit on the palate, that is the upper portion, which differentiates or separates the nasal area from the mouth. That is called as palate. So if you have a slit in the palate, what happens is whenever there is a milk or any liquid feed which is taken, it goes into the nose and into the respiratory tract. So that causes infection and complications. So these things cannot be left for a long time. The patient.
Any word of advice for the deaf patients who may be seeing this video?
Cleft patients or their parents. Yeah. The thing is, as I had told you, that this complication is not a simple complication. As I told you, it looks probably very simple, but it's not. Whenever the milk or any liquid goes into the respiratory tract, it causes pneumonia or any further respiratory complications. And those children are not able to express, they only cry, and they are not able to basically even live a healthy life because of such things. Second is cosmetic purpose. Like for example, if these children are not able to get the cleft lip and surgery corrected, cleft lip and palate corrected, they go to the school with such deformity, then they are basically alienated by the other children. So there is a psychological setback also which these children have to go through. So my advice to the parent is, if such type of deformity is seen in the children, first of all you should not get dejected, because after the surgery the child looks as good as a normal child. So there is
और तुमको कैसा लगता है? तुम्हारा ओट कटा हुआ है तो तुमको कैसा लगता है? पीछे में कभी देखते हो अपने को? सुनो बेटा, जब तुम्हारा ओट सिला जाएगा, तुम शीशे में देखोगे तो कितना अच्छा लगेगा, लगेगा कि नहीं? तुम क्यों रो रहे हो?